Let's talk about the recently launched Vivo smartphone IQOO Z9 Turbo with porthole design. Now, let's talk about the specifications of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with 1.5K AMOLED display, 6.78 inches Full HD plus punch hole display, resolution of 1260 by 2800 pixels, 20:9 aspect ratio, approximately 93.42% screen to body ratio, approximately 453 ppi pixel density, 4500 nits peak brightness, 144 Hz refresh rate, HDR color quality support, and with scratch-resistant glass protection. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with dual camera setup on the rear that includes 50 megapixel OIS Sony LYT600 wide-angle camera, along with 8 megapixel ultra-wide-angle camera. For selfies it has 16 megapixel wide-angle front camera, video recording maximum 4K at 30/60 fps on rear camera, and 1080p at 30 fps on front camera. For the software, the handset turns on Android 14 operating system, based on exclusive optimized version of Origin OS 4 screen on top the device. Under the hood, the phone CPU is octa-core up to 3 GHz, powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 8S Gen 3 chipset, paired with Adreno 735 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 12 GB, 16 GB of LPDDR5X RAM, 12 GB, 16 GB of extended RAM, and 256 GB, 512 GB of UFS 4.0 onboard storage, no micro SD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 163.72 by 75.88 by 7.98 mm, and it weighs around 194.9 grams. And the color options: dark night, starburst white, mountain green colors to see in this smartphone, and the device comes backed by a massive 6000 mAh battery, with 80-watt fast flash charging, 7.5-watt reverse wired charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features under-display fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication, with face unlock. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.4, GPS L1, Type-C headphone jack, with dual stereo speakers support, USB Type-C charging port, infrared remote control, 6 kVc vapor chamber, IP64 dust and water resistant, and with NFC. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The IQOO Z9 Turbo has been priced for 12 GB plus 256 GB storage variant at 1,999 Chinese yuan, while the 16 GB plus 256 GB storage variant at 2,299 Chinese yuan, while the 12 GB plus 512 GB storage variant at 2,399 Chinese yuan, while the 16 GB plus 512 GB storage variant at 2,599 Chinese yuan. Conclusion: so, what do you guys think of this IQOO Z9 Turbo smartphone? Do let us know in the comments section below and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.